Mom, you're not done? What the? You women are all the same. You guys know how to waste time. Mom, please hurry up. I have somewhere else to be. What's all this now?
I'm sorry,
Shut up. Who's talking to you?
Don't mind him, Mom. Just make sure you do a good work. He's just in a hurry to go look for those stupid and useless girls he carries around.
Mom!
This is nice.
Please just be fast. I have somewhere to be.
This is beautiful. I love it. Wow. This is so nice. I love it.
You're welcome, Ma. I'm done.
I just sent you the money. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so
much. Beautiful. It's beautiful.
I'm glad you love it.
Yeah. Okay. I think I'm ready now. Go get the car keys and let's go.
How far? Did I get any call from Kester?
He's still not called.
Vanessa, calm down. I'm sure he's busy at work or something. He will call you.
Kester is never too busy to call me.
Just... Yeah, hello? Yes. Yes. Yes, I'm busy. Right, that's what Okay. Thank you.
Wow, that's new.
What?
The secret calls.
What do you mean secret calls?
Yeah, what's going on? Start talking.
It's nothing. You're reading too many
Val,
names.
start talking.
Can't I have my privacy again?
Start talking now, like what's going on?
What do you mean what's going on?
It's fine.
Guy, how far are you, Sef? This one done too much now. You supposed don't finish this thing. You don't put water.
See, I'm waiting for you here.
Done good. Sharp.
Oh, wow. What's going on? You.
No, it's not me.
So what's going on then?
Happy birthday!
Oh my goodness, thank you. Hey. Thank you so much. You!
Not me. It's not me, sister.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, darling.
Sweet.
Hip, hip, hip!
Hooray!
Happy birthday, baby.
Wow, you guys, I don't even know what to say.
I know.
Yeah. Okay, so...
Of course, I can't wait.
Right, time to cut the cake, right?
Yeah, and maybe pop some drinks there. What do you say?
Okay, but I think we should do the cake first.
The cake first?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I need a knife.
Just get it, yeah.
Okay, guys, it's a special day because it's my baby's birthday.
That's right.
And it's about time for us to pop the wine. But first, we'd like to cut the cake. Yeah.
We'll cut it at the spelling of love. Let's go.
Baby, hold on to it. Okay, Sissy.
Of course.
L O V E.
Okay, it's time for wine. Okay. Hold on.
Okay.
Coming right up. Coming right.
Yes! Of course.
My mom said I should give that to you.
Hey, at least let me offer you something to drink.
I won't be needing that.
Ha! Hey!
Who is that annoying animal? Who is that arrogant boy? Who is he?
We don't have to worry about people like that today.
You're right.
Okay, just kick that thing out of here.
Stop.
Punk. Oh, guys, sorry about that. Okay, back to the celebration. The celebration continues. Let's celebrate. Cheers. Yeah.
Cheers.
Okay, just ignore it. Just ignore that.
The truth is that is the only way you can go about it.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Is there another? Okay, provide an option.
Let me see.
Let me see.
Sorry, you're actually.
Hello? Yes. Okay. Yeah, thanks, man.
Okay, so. What's up? What's with the rush?
It's supposed to be a surprise. I'll see you later.
Be safe, okay? Come along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. If you feel like a room without a roof. Cause I'm happy. Come along if you know that happiness is the truth. Cause I'm happy. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Hey.
Wow. This is so amazing.
You think so?
I know so. Wow.
Babe, you know, so many times I just imagine what our family would be like. It would be so beautiful.
Yeah, I mean, why don't we just focus on the present and talk about the future later?
Babe, you know, it's not only my birthday today. It's also our 5th anniversary.
Yeah.
Yes?
That's very true. Yeah. 5 years anniversary. 5 5 years of a beautiful love story with you. 5 years of partnership in crime. Gossiping, gisting, fighting, and all. Oof. How time flies.
It does.
It's been amazing, indeed.
Absolutely. Babe, you know, sometimes, I mean, random, but I actually wonder if this relationship has a future.
Babe, come on, why would you say that? Of course, it has a future, but I think it's best that we enjoy this moment. I promise you we'll talk about that later. Okay? So, guess what? Guess what? I got you a gift. Baby. Okay, I don't want to see any wrinkle on your face. Come on, smile. Yeah! No. That's more like it.
Okay. Wow.
So, guess what the birthday gift is?
Babe, look, you know I love gifts, but...
Ah, here she goes again.
Okay. I love gifts very much, but I'm terrible at guessing. You know this.
Ah, here she goes again.
Okay, so let me try. Let's see. A mall?
Okay, why not the whole Nigeria?
Oh my goodness.
Try again. Baby, I think that this is the right time that you change your jalopy car.
Wow, it's a car.
Yes, it's a car. What were you thinking?
Oh, babe, it looks like a really expensive car.
Only the best for my princess. Besides, my mom got me a new job. And the salary is 5 times higher than the previous. Don't you like it? Okay, you don't like the car? I could always change it and get you another one.
No. You know what? We can go check it out.
Yeah, that's what I was waiting for. Shall we? Yeah. That's my girl. There you go. It's all yours, baby.
Wait.
You like it? Good.
Wow. My prince. Thank you so much for the car gift to my sister.
It's nothing. She deserves more. In fact, she deserves the whole world.
Right. Speaking of her deserving the whole world, when are you gonna pop the question? Or don't you think she deserves your ring in addition to the... What? Time is ticking. The clock is ticking and clearly other people have their eyes on her. Don't you want to secure her? I mean, look at her fingers. Look at them. Are they not pretty? When are you going to pop the question, my prince?
I need water. I'm thirsty.
Why were you trying to have me not talk about it? He can get you a car, but not the ring? Vanessa! Vanessa!
Where are you coming from?
Good evening, Mom.
I'm asking you.
Good evening.
I said, where are you coming from?
I stopped by at a friend's birthday party.
That's why you left your fiancé waiting all through the day. Not even a phone call, Kester.
I forgot.
You forgot what?
Babe.
How did you get in here?
Babe, we'll be married in a few months and you still ask how you got in here.
Can we just quit this pretense and stop deceiving ourselves? We do not like each other, so there can never be anything happening between us.
Speak for yourself, Kester. Who would I even accept to marry you if I don't feel anything for you? Wait.
Abeg.
Are you trying to pass a message that you don't love me?
Can you leave my room?
Babe, calm down. Relax. We can make it work. Or is there any other woman?
I never said so.
So why are you doing this to me?
Isn't it obvious?
What is obvious? There is nothing obvious here. Just look at me. Don't I look beautiful? Don't I look padded? Up and down? No, tell me. Babe, relax. We can make it work. Alright? Babe. Babe. Relax.
Babe,
Wow, darling. 1 minute.
what are you?
Come on, you can. Will you marry me? From the very first time we met, you've added so much sunshine to my world. I can't live without waking up by your side every day. Marry me and make me the happiest man on earth.
I can't. Sorry.
Why? You don't love me enough?
It's not about that. I just need more time to process all of this before jumping into a marriage ride with you.
I don't need time to tell me what I know.
Well, I need time to tell me what I do not know.
Don't you know me?
Well, I don't know who you would become if I throw stones at you. We've not even had our first fight. Maybe we should hasten our first fight.
Fight?
Yes! I mean, marriage is not a bed of roses all the time. Babe.
Yeah.
Babe. We've only been dating for 3 months and you're already proposing. I feel like we need enough time to know each other I don't want to just garbage in and garbage out of marriage. Please.
I love you. I swear, I love you from my heart.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Babe, sweetheart, I love you. Please marry me.
Stop right there.
Mom, you're back early.
Save it. Now, get out of my house.
Mom.
Turn around and leave.
Mom, what's the meaning of this? You're embarrassing me in front of my guests.
Take your guests and leave my house.
Just,
Okay, give me my money.
just go upstairs out.
Give me my money, I beg. Which one is go upstairs? I beg, give me my money, I beg.
We've not done anything now.
See, as far as say you don't already carry me. We don't do something, no. Give me my money.
Wait. Mom. Mom, are you okay? Mom. 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 Mom, are you okay? Mom, stand up. Mom, what's the problem? Mom, stand up now. What's the problem? Eh? Are you okay? Eh?
Is she gone?
What's this now? Don't tell me you did all this so that my guests will leave. What's all this now?
I will keep frustrating you to repent. Yes, this is just the beginning. You've not seen anything.
Oh my God, you're so unbelievable.
Where's babe? Come back here! Where's babe? Run! Hey! Hey. Okay, no problem. No problem. Hey. It's okay.
Look, I have never in my life witnessed this kind of a thing. So I had to run for my dear life.
You shouldn't have run.
Look, I never go police station before, and I am not ready to. Not now or later.
You don't understand. She staged it all.
How am I supposed to know it was staged? When the whole thing looks so real. Eh? First and first, my life. I beg go. And again, okay, tell me. Eh? What of had it been she fell down and she did not wake up? How will I explain it?
My mom is a risk taker. She can go to any length just to prove her point.
I want to ask you, what if after this whole thing and she refuses to change her mind?
You change plan.
Okay, I got your point. So what's the next step?
Quit care. It's too early for that though. We move.
Okay, fine. Fine. Since we are not quitting, I am in. As far as my bank account breathes in cash, you know, money answers all things.
I told you. Stop worrying yourself. Kester is not seeing anyone.
No, I don't think so. Today is Saturday and he's not even here. Where else would he be if not in the arms of another woman?
You worry too much. Eh? He told me he's going for a lunch meeting with a client.
Lunch meeting? Huh?
Calm down. He will soon be back.
Ma, I feel Kester is seeing another woman.
At all. That's not even possible. No, not possible.
Are you sure?
Trust me. Come, let's go. Let's go to the kitchen.
JJ, Coach passes the ball to Finidi George.
No,
and Finidi George, he dribbles, he gives a true pass to Amunike. Amunike goes with the ball, he goes to the ball and he takes a shot! Oh, it's a goal! It's a goal, you have to hit it, it's a goal!
It's not the goal.
You don't want Nigeria to score, you want Nigeria to be defeated.
No. Come on. I told you I'm allergic to apples. You can just eat them.
Baby, since when?
Well, since forever.
Since forever.
Oh my goodness. Anyhow, I'm wondering why Valerie is not back yet.
Honey, calm down now. Relax. Allow the babe to enjoy her life. And chill.
Okay. She finally returns. Wait, at this rate, are you sure you're not going to end up moving in with her or something?
Oh, please. Make it make sense. How can I move in with the neighbor?
Your sister is just missing you.
Miss me? While you're here? Of course it's not possible. Please.
Miss this one.
You see?
Please.
Anyway, this is your ownership. Sandra is getting married next week.
Are you serious? Oh, I'm so happy for her.
No. And guess what she said?
What?
She said your wedding should be next. Actually, she said she was expecting you to already be married. So she's been wondering what has been keeping the question.
Oh, Abby.
I think at this point, let me just leave you ladies to enjoy your company.
In Kester, before you leave, I would like to know the shade of colors you would like to have at your wedding. I'm a really good planner. I could start working on something. I'm asking you, Kester.
Me?
Of course, you. How many in-laws to be do I have?
I mean, having a beautiful wedding, it's a good thing.
Exactly.
But having a friend who beautifies your world, that is the greatest.
Oh, please, dear. Very consoling speech. But you still did not answer the question. I can see how uncomfortable this conversation is making you.
Okay.
So, no, it's fine. I'd rather excuse you both to carry on with whatever you were doing before I came in to ask when you'll be getting
Hey, help me take this.
Bring it yourself while you guys are doing things.
Babe. Are you okay?
Why do you keep doing this?
Doing what?
You keep pushing your sister into pressuring me concerning marrying you. Every small chance she gets, she chokes me with marriage talks.
Babe, relax. Okay? By now you should know Valerie. I mean, she just likes to have these conversations. She's just trying to get words out of your mouth.
Just because I keep my mouth closed does not mean I don't know how to bite.
Babe,
Come on.
You should talk to her. I don't like it.
Okay.
She keeps embarrassing me with it.
I'm sorry on her behalf. Okay, and I'll talk to her. But, I mean, it's just marriage she talked about. And it's just us here. Like, okay, it's not like she talked about the forbidden fruit or something. I'm sorry.
You need to talk to your sister.
I will.
I'm not finding it
talk
funny
to
at all.
her, please. Okay, so you're going to give me a smile now? A little smiley smile? Yeah, that's it.
Love you.
I love you.
Don't you think you should call to check in with Uncle Ken?
Uncle Ken?
Mm-hmm.
So he can start lecturing me again? Please.
Look at you. Your temperature keeps rising.
I know. But I just need rest. As soon as I rest, I'll be fine.
You're sure you're not pregnant?
Huh? Hey, why are you saying that? Look, I'm even currently on my period, so there's no way I'm pregnant.
Well, I still think you should call Uncle Ken to check in with his hospital. You never can tell. His words may hurt, but they don't kill. It's the same old, your mother got married at the age of 26, blah, blah, blah. We've been hearing that almost all our lives. We haven't died from it, have we?
We haven't. No, we haven't. See, I'm tired. I need rest. Let's just go home. Maybe tomorrow we'll deal with Uncle Ken. Okay?
So tell me, your mother got married at the age of what?
26.
26. And how old are you now? Tell me, how old are you now? Oh, because your mother is late, that gives you the privilege to become the president of Singles Association?
Uncle, we'll get married now. We'll get married when the time is right.
You will get married when?
At the right time, Uncle.
Because your mirror is telling you the truth. Or are you being deceived by your makeups? Come in. Thank you. All right. So tell me, when is that small boy that has been trotting and frolicking with you coming to see us?
At the right time, Uncle. He's making plans.
He is making plans. Being single and old ain't enough for you.
Uncle, we don't understand why you keep emphasizing on the fact we are old. What are you talking about?
Vanessa.
Uncle, what is it?
Tell that young man that impregnated you that he must marry you because our family does not accept bastards.
Uncle, that's not possible. I mean, wait, Uncle, are you joking right now?
Oh.
Because, I mean, I'm even on my period right now. So.
Really? You're on your period?
Maybe it's a mistake, Uncle.
Do you know you are on implantation bleeding? 9 weeks is gone.
9 weeks gone?
Yes. So, tell that young man to come to the house this weekend.
somehow I'm excited about this.
Okay.
Yes, because it's going to be an opportunity for Kester to finally propose.
Kester was always going to propose. There's no need for the manipulation, okay?
It's called motivation, not manipulation, madam.
Oh, I hear you.
Gosh, I keep envisioning how much he's going to scream for joy when he finds out you're pregnant.
Oh, girl, please.
Vanessa, you have to abort the child. I can't marry you.
What did you just say?
I'm sorry.
I'm trying to understand what you said. I don't quite get it. What do you mean?
Not all relationships are supposed to end up in marriage. Yeah, you're matured enough to know that.
I'm sure you don't mean that, right?
Please listen.
Don't touch me!
I really do love you. I do. But based on the circumstance, I can't get married to a woman who's not from my tribe.
5 years? 5 whole years you strung me along and said nothing about the circumstances that stopped us from getting married. And now you just get me pregnant and you turn around with this nonsense? Have I been a joke to you all the while? Have I? Have you been toying with my heart? You know what? I hate you. I hate you so much. And I curse the day I met you. Look,
I just didn't know how to tell you. Because I like what we share. I didn't want to lose you.
Just get out. Get out before I lose it and do something stupid. Just go.
Hey, please.
Just
I
go.
do not want us to end this. I don't want us. You make my world so beautiful. You make my world so wonderful, baby. Please.
Get out.
Now, look, we don't have to
Just
get married. We can be lovers. We can just be lovers and be happy with each
Out
other.
my house this minute. Okay? Just go.
You know you're overreacting, right? Can you just please...
Get out!
Agony grips my soul. I search for answers night and day, but the path ahead is unclear. Agony grips my soul. I search for answers night and day, but the path ahead is unclear. Don't let my fears be my reality. Let love prevail and not cruelty. The trust I gave, don't let it fade. Oh, don't let it fade. Don't let my fears be my reality. Let love prevail and not cruelty. The trust I gave, don't let it fade. Oh, don't let it fade. It's a wasted years. I fell foolish.
She's what?
She's pregnant for me.
Kester, you're a prince. And you know the tradition.
But Mom, the truth is that I really
There
was...
is no but here. Kester. See, son, we are supposed to be the custodian of our own tradition, not hypocrites.
Mom, Vanessa is a good person. Believe me, she's actually a nice person.
And who is Vanessa?
Sis, please be gentle with yourself. Please.
How could I have been so stupid? How could I have been so stupid all these years?
Sis, it's not you, it's him. He's clearly the one with the problem. Please don't self-blame. He's the problem. You know, my instincts never fail me. I always knew there was something awkward about him. I just couldn't place my fingers on exactly what. Which again is why I kept throwing those questions at him. I wasn't asking him those questions for nothing. I wasn't trying to invade your privacy or intentionally piss him off. I was trying to figure out exactly what he was up to, because tell me how a man would date you for 5 years. 5 whole years, Vanessa, and he still could not get himself to propose to you. That right there wasn't just a red flag, but a red curtain, a red signboard, a red canopy. He's the one with the problem, not you. And we are not going to sit here and continually cry or blame ourselves for it. It is said that karma is a bitch, and I'm pretty sure it's going to catch up with him. I just don't want you to put this on yourself. What now? Vanessa! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Well, let's just say I'm going to show him what karma looks like.
Vanessa, you're not in the right headspace to make decisions. Sis, don't! Vanessa, this is not who you are. Sis, wait. Sis, wait. Sis, please. Please.
Who are you? Oh, your daughter-in-law, ma'am. Daughter-in-law? Yes. And your grandchild.
Vanessa.
Oh, hi.
What are you doing here?
Oh, I'm moving in.
What do you mean by moving in? Moving in to where?
Please, do you mind taking a seat? I'll tell you a quick story. So, Mom, your son and I have been together for...
Hey! Point of correction, I'm not your mom.
That's fine.
But first answer his question.
Well, bastards are not allowed in my family.
You see this thing we brought into this house? You better discard her before I do it my own way. You better discard her! Better handle it.
Oh.
can't stay here.
I'm staying here and nothing is going to change that. Okay?
Look, I am not cut out for this argument.
I am not cut out for single motherhood either. You put me in this position and you're going to deal with the consequences alongside me. Okay?
Okay, fine. Can you at least give me time to convince my mother?
Nice idea. How about we go up there and convince her together?
What? Vanessa, wait! Vanessa!
Mama, we have news for you!
Go! Ah! Bad guy. Oh, Stan. Oh, boy. Mom, what's the meaning of this now?
You should be ashamed of yourself. All your mates are in their offices and their business places. You are here watching football. What is wrong with you, Brian? Where did I go wrong in bringing you up? What did I do to you? What is your problem? Talk to me. What is your problem?
Why would I be on my way to work when the company is mine?
My company, not yours.
What is yours will eventually be mine.
Not in this lifetime.
Oh.
So you expect me to hand over to you all that I have worked and labored for, just so you can waste it on your reckless and frivolous life? Hell no. It's not going to happen. It will never happen.
I don't even have your time. I don't understand.
You better start going to the office now. You are here watching football. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. This will kill me.
Vanessa, please, eat. At least for the baby.
When did you start caring about the baby?
Why are you doing this?
Why are you not doing this?
I told you that I have a plan.
Oh. Does that plan include suckling on your mother's breasts?
Do not insult me.
You told me that you loved me. You made so many beautiful promises. Why did you do this to me? Why?
Babe, I swear to you, I never lied. I never lied about us. I meant every single word I said to you.
Then stay with me. Fight for me. For us.
Honestly, we could never win this war. Sorry. I'm sorry.
My heart beat for our love so true, and I trust the feeling that shines through. I'm sure of my love with every part, but I'm not good enough to do right by her.
My son, you know your father must not see her when he returns back from his trip.
Come on, Mom. My father might like her. Don't you think so?
Son, don't beg for my assistance when the storm starts to rage. You know your father too well now.
Alright, Mom, I'll try and talk to her again.
My son, how are you sure that thing she's carrying is yours? You know what these girls now? Eh? They go about clubbing, sleeping around.
Mom, Vanessa is...
Think, my son, just think.
But Vanessa is different, Mom.
Will you shut that your mouth before I shut it down for you? Anyway, Sharon is coming tomorrow.
My heart beat for our love so true, and I trust the feeling that shines through. I'm sure of my love.
Look, you can't force him to marry you. The sooner you leave that place, the better for your mental stability. Yes, that's exactly my point. Because if you keep waiting for the ring and then he's not proposing, you're just gonna keep getting emotional, and I don't want you to keep doing this to yourself. Yes, I'll call you back. What are you doing here?
Baby, I'm sorry.
I didn't ask whether or not you're sorry. The question is, what are you doing here?
I need you back.
Wait, let me get this. Bayo,
Sweetheart?
you think you can hop in and out of my life as you please? I am not a commercial boss. That is a red flag for me.
Come on, babe. You turned down my proposal. That is a lot to take in. I'm sorry. I couldn't get you off my mind.
And yet you went for 3 weeks. 3 whole weeks without calling me.
Darling, I'm here now. I'm ready to wait as long as you want.
Sorry?
Yeah. If waiting is what I need to do to get you back in my life, then I'll wait.
Really?
Babe, I missed you. Seriously, I do. Did you miss me?
I did not.
I do. Come on, that's my baby. Come here. You look good.
I do?
Yeah. I love you so much.
Please sit down.
Right, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, my darling. So, Testa, get the drink. Such a nice and romantic girl.
Who is she?
Forget the fly roaming around here. You are the chosen one, and no one can contend that. Go and sit close to your fiancé.
Vanessa, meet Sharon.
Who is Sharon to you? Sweet.
My fiancée.
Say it louder so she can hear you. It's like she has deaf ears.
She's my fiancée.
Go and sit close to her.
My heart beat for her, our love so true, and I trust the feeling that shines through. I'm sure of my love with every
I actually regret the day I met you. 5 whole years? And this is what you do to me? It's fine. I've learned my lesson.
I don't mean to hold you. I would hold you on purpose. Of course you'd say that, but I don't believe you. Oh, 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 my heart beat for our love so true, and I trust the feeling.
Good radiance.
My goodness.
My love, you are now the owner of the house. You are now in charge.
We need to celebrate the good radiance with a very hot banga soup, right?
That's good. I have all the ingredients in the kitchen there. So you can go and make it, yes.
Really?
Yeah.
And Mom, if you test my own banga soup, I promise you will want to test another.
I can't wait.
Let's go!
Yes!
Oh my goodness, this is so sweet.
She finally gone. Yay!
Oh my gosh!
Wow!
Oh my!
Hey, my house is free now.
Come. Come. Call me.
Of course, he will call you.
Alright.
Son, see her off. See her off.
Agony grips my soul. I search for answers night and day, but the path ahead is unclear. Agony grips my soul. I search for answers night and day, but the path ahead is unclear. Don't let my fears be my reality. Is this really my story? Tell me it's not. It's a wasted years of the love, of the tears, of the experiences. It's a wasted years. Oh.
Vanessa, crying yourself every day, dwelling on this pain is not the way to heal. Please. Vanessa, listen. You need to go easy on yourself. Please, sis.
This is not the right time for anything. It's not the right time to see my parents. It's not the right time to get married. It's not the right time for anything. You know, trusting and loving someone so much is actually such a risk. It's actually a very stupid move. And I blame myself for it. Vanessa.
Sis, you can't keep blaming yourself. He lost you. You didn't lose him. See, she keeps calling. She's not going to step out of her room without doing her makeup.
I'm not taking it.
Why?
Being single and pregnant is not exactly a trophy to show off.
My goodness, Vanessa, you are thinking too much. It's not obvious you're pregnant. Only someone with spiritual eyes can tell you're pregnant. Sis, please. I'm gonna take it. Good day, Ma. Oh yes, she's on her way. Yes, please. Oh no, she forgot her phone. Yes. Right. Thank you. Thank you. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. I'm going to tell my doctor friend to recommend pills. Okay? You'll be fine.
Okay.
Vanessa. The magic fingers. I love how you turned me into under 16. This is magical. I love it.
It's always been sweet 16.
Thank you. So beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful.
You're welcome.
Brian, you don't know your mother anymore? What is the meaning of all this? Hey.
Ma, are you done with the mirror?
Yes, I asked. Thank you so much. Have you sent it?
Oh, I'm sure you have it.
Okay.
But I can resend it for sure.
It's okay. I'll check it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Your work are really, really good.
Thank you.
I love it.
Yeah.
I need to sign it. Just hold on. Let me just yeah. It's done.
Oh, thank you so much, Ma.
You're welcome, my darling.
I think my bag, I'll just get my bag and check it.
All
I'll let you know once I come.
Please do. Please do. When you see it, just let me know.
Thank you, Ma.
Thank you, Vanessa.
Yeah.
This is really beautiful.
I'm glad. Enjoy your event, Ma.
I will. Thank you, my darling.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I left my handbag over here. Oh my God, Deepak. Oh.
Please don't open the door. I made our movement very suspicious. Yeah.
I'm scared though.
No, relax.
Okay.
You're right.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh! Oh my God, Deepak! Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh! I'm sorry, Mom. What are you doing here?
Mom, take it easy.
Did I not warn you?
Take it easy, Mom. Take it easy.
What are you doing in my house?
Take it easy.
Did I not warn you not to come here? I will douse it on you. Oh, yeah, take your thinking self out of my house now. What?
I'm sorry. I'm going to. Mom, wait.
Mom, please, I'm sorry. I told you. I told you.
Please, hold on. Please, don't pour the water. Please.
I'm sorry.
Please, leave it. Please.
Now get your stinking.
No problem, Ma.
Stupid.
Yes, Ma. Yes,
Ma. I've closed my eye, and if I open my eye, you are still here.
Yes, Ma. I promise. I will never come to
Be fast now. Be fast.
One.
Mom.
Two.
Mom, don't do it though.
Get the hell out of my house.
Don't do it though.
If I catch you here again.
I'm sorry.
What? If I catch you here
Mom,
again.
devil is using you. Don't do it though.
If I catch you here again.
Please, just leave her. She's going. It's okay. She's going. It's okay.
Are you?
Mom, don't put that on my body. Don't put that on my body.
I don't even know. I don't even know what to describe you. The adjective to describe you. You are a very stupid boy.
Mom, stop.
I will do this thing on you.
I'll put my father.
Don't punish you and your father.
Please,
don't punish you and your father. You took after your useless father. Useless boy. Useless boy. Let me catch you again. You will see what I will do to you. Nonsense. What kind of a stupid child is this? Huh? Hey! Alright, no problem.
Mom, what was that?
For God's sake, I am an adult! Oh, really? Yes. So why do you behave like a boy with new toys?
What I do with my life is none of your business.
Oh. So why do you think dogs have leashes? Why? My friend, excuse me, make sure you prepare dinner.
Agony grips my soul. I search for answers night and day, but the path ahead is unclear. Agony grips my soul. I search for answers night and day.
Here. Here. He said this will flush it out.
I was thinking, shouldn't we maybe try another hospital for maybe second opinion or something?
Vanessa, this is coming from a trusted doctor I know on a personal level. Take it.
Are you sure?
Is your own sister going to hurt you? Do you think I'm Kester? I'm joking. Take it.
How many?
2. 2 right now, and then you take 2 again 5 hours later. Go ahead. Yeah. Drink some more. Oh, you feel it's gonna make you throw up? Okay, well then that's fine. I'll keep the rest of this here. I'll take 2 more about 5 hours later.
Agony grips my soul. I search for answers night and day, but the path ahead is unclear. Agony grips my soul. I search for answers night and day, but the path ahead is unclear. Don't let my fears be my reality. Let love prevail and not cruelty. The trust I gave, don't let it fade. Oh, don't let it fade.
We're monitoring this.
What's happening?
Relax. I don't bite.
I'd rather not take chances, because I don't heal fast.
Is this really my story? Tell me it's not. It's all wasted years of the love, of the tears, of the experiences. It's all wasted years. Oh.
Honestly, Ma, I can't stand how arrogant your son is. I mean, you're not even like that. Where did he get that from?
Saying good morning to him doesn't mean you like him.
Neither will him responding to my good morning imply he likes me. It's just common courtesy.
That's alright. Where is Vanessa?
She's in the car. She's trying to get everything she's gonna need for your makeup. You know, you said you wanted to.
I can't wait.
How have you been?
I want her to glam.
Glam. Sweet 16. Baby girl.
Yes.
What is it?
Are you okay?
What is it?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes. Are you sure you're okay?
Yes,
Okay. Do you like your makeup? Yeah. I trust you can do the magic finger.
What is it?
What is wrong?
What is it?
My tummy.
Your tummy.
My tummy.
Sorry. Sorry.
What is wrong?
Sit down.
I don't know.
Come.
I don't know. Sit her down. Sit her down. Sit her down.
Sorry.
Oh my God.
Sorry.
Sit her down. Sit her down.
Sorry. Say sorry. Let me get your water. I don't know.
You are lucky the baby is still alive.
Alive?
What baby? Vanessa, you never told me.
Vanessa, I can't believe you opt for an abortion. So, where is he?
He...
That's not enough, killing an innocent baby.
But uncle, you know you said that...
I know what I said. Risking your life isn't part of what I said. If your mother has aborted you, you wouldn't be alive today.
Well, Mom was legally married. She was never a single mother.
And what is wrong being a single mother? Huh? What is wrong with you people thinking it's an abomination? Will you listen? Being a single mother is far better than being in the grave. What's wrong with you people? Huh?
Oh my God, Kester, you're a fool. You're a monster. You're an idiot to say the least. Look at you. I'm guessing this is your next victim.
You won't understand, Valerie.
Shut up. Do not speak to me about understanding. Look at the way look at the condition you put my sister in. Look at it. Is this the way you met her? Of course I will never understand what it means to be a grown baby. A grown man acting like a coward.
Do not call me that.
That's what you are. You think you're a prince? You're a dusty. You're a fool. What are you going to do? You think of my sister? No, stand here. I'm not done. Kester, don't piss me. I am not Vanessa. I am not Vanessa. Kester, try me. Try me, fool. Kester, don't
What's the meaning of this now? Don't you know you're embarrassing me?
Oh, but you embarrassed my sister. It wasn't a problem, Kester. Try me. You think I'm Vanessa? Try me. Nonsense. Brings my foot. Brings my foot. Shameless bastard. Shameless. You're not a prince. Shameless prince. Fool. What nonsense. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Ha! Oh God. Is that who he dated for 5 years?
This whole thing is very funny.
Oh, please don't tell me about what is pointless. That's why he put you in this condition. You're too nice. With people like that, you speak their own language to them.
Oh, please! He's lucky he ran away. I would have bursted his head with my heel. Idiot! Fool! Is this how he met you? Is it? Rubbish! I can't believe you are not boiling. You're persuading me. Rubbish! Prince, my foot. Please take me out of here. It's a bad day already. What nonsense! A prince! A prince! How could you watch that girl insult me and did nothing about it?
Enough, please.
Don't even try to shut me up. Because I heard her call you names and you did nothing. You would have slapped her, done something to her. Instead you chose to be a coward. You're not even man enough. What are you doing?
Get out of my car.
What? How do you expect me to get home, babe?
Get out of my car! You think I'm joking? Get out of my car!
Hey!
Get out, get out, get out!
How do you expect me to
Get
You're embarrassing me, what?
my car.
Babe! How do you expect me to get... Babe, open the door! Oh my goodness.
Where is Sharon?
I don't know.
But you went out with her.
Mom, she's an adult. She's old enough to take care of herself.
Mom, what happened?
Mom, can you believe your son abandoned me on the roadside and drove off?
What? Son? How dare you leave your fiancé on the road stranded?
She is not my fiancé.
Shut that your mouth. Just shut it!
Mom, I love Vanessa. I'm in love with her.
Come on. Let's sit. You see, my son, as a prince of Tower Clan, automatically you are eligible to become the king in the future. Your father and I are doing everything possible to prepare you for that. Marrying from another tribe is one of the things that can disqualify you from contesting the kingship. No king ever, seated on that throne, married from another tribe. No. So, think hard and before you mention that name in this house.
But Mom, must I be king? What if I'm not interested in that throne? I mean, my wish ought to be respected.
Tomorrow is pregnant. And what you don't know is bigger than you. Now, go and apologize to her. I mean now. Go.
Fine. Sharon, I'm sorry that I left you there.
I forgive you.
Wow. This is so nice. I love you. Thank you so much. Can I get you a drink? Just hold on. Let me get you a drink.
You know you don't have to. I'm coming. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my darling. You can have it. Yeah. So, where is he now?
Probably somewhere with his chosen one.
You know, Brian was 6 when his father was transferred to Calabar, and that was the last time I saw him.
Oh. I'm so sorry for your loss, Ma.
It's okay, he's dead to me, but not to the other wife.
What other wife?
Yeah. He was married to someone who could put up with his lifestyle. Yeah. For me, I think it's better than transferring those sexually transmitted diseases. Hey, look, I'm living a happy life, devoid of any embarrassment, intimidation, and abuse that are rampant in most marriages today, where women are dying in silence just to be good wives and protect their home.
Yes, Ma.
My dear, who told you that being a single woman is a disease?
Single mother.
It's not the end of your life. See, babies are gifts from God.
Not this one.
My dear, God is not a fool. Okay? There is a reason why those abortions did not happen.
What reason? If not to cause me pain and regrets.
Let me tell you something. You will have to move past the pain and focus on the gifts God has given to you. You can move in with me if you like.
There will be no need for that, Ma.
With the series of abortions going through your mind, I insist. And beside that, this is the first time of you being pregnant. The early stage of pregnancy is not a time to be toyed with. There are signs you cannot understand. And again, you and your sister are inexperienced. So permit me to be fully involved. My dear, don't worry. Valerie can move in with you if you like. Okay? Just trust me.
I know, sis. I'm literally the most happy person right now because I finally got that job. As I speak to you, I'm all packed. I booked the 4:45 flight this evening to Abuja. Yes. I know. Yeah, you can call me a working class. That's who I am right now. I know, sis. Honestly, I can't truly bear the thought of leaving you by yourself. I know it's going to be hard on you, but then I'm going to Abuja. I'm not going across the Atlantic Ocean. So I can always catch a weekend flight to come, spend some time with you. Yes. I mean, not every weekend, but I'll try as much as I can to... Yeah, I said I would try. Okay, I will do my best. Is that better? I'm gonna miss you too, sis. Just try and make sure you take care of yourself, okay? And don't allow that nuisance to make you feel uncomfortable in Madame Felicia's house. Yeah, I know it's their house, but she was the one that asked you to come over. If you wouldn't want to stay with Madame Felicia anymore, where then would you go, Uncle Ken? Exactly why you should stay with Madame Felicia. I know, I'll be calling as much as I have to. I'll be coming in for weekends, okay? Let me go do this job so I can take care of us. I love you too. All right, I need to go before I miss my flight, okay? The working class girl in Abuja has to go. Okay, sis. Yeah, I just thought I'll call you real quick before I get on the road. Yeah. Okay.
I hope you're enjoying it.
It's nice, just something light. It's okay.
Wow, wow, wow. Who do we have here? Or should I say, what do we have here? A baby mama? Or something?
Brian, what are you doing here?
And since when did returning to visit my home become a crime?
I thought you said you don't want to return here again. Please go and stay with your father because I will not take in your nonsense lifestyle. I will not.
Mom, I will talk to you later. Let me freshen up. I hope there's food. I'm hungry.
Your house girl resigned the day you left.
Yo, I'm coming.
Wait. You let him go see his father?
Of course. You decide who he stays with.
Oh. Despite the fact that he has no contribution in his life?
My dear, there are some things that are beyond your control. You see, your son will grow up one day and knock on the doors you don't want to open. There are some battles that are fought and won with silence. Brian visits his father anytime he wants.
I'm not sure I can ever let Kester into my baby's life.
My dear, our experiences in life makes us better and not bitter. The child will make his decision. You cannot stop the force of nature. Blood, they say, is thicker than water. Let's eat up.
Wow. That's beautiful.
You think so?
Yeah, it is.
I wasn't even done yet. Anyway. I guess you'd appreciate it even more when I'm done.
I know, right? You're so good.
Thank you. Oh. Oh no. Oh. 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 Hey, don't just keep staring at me.
What should I do?
Anything, something.
Alright, stand up. Take it easy. Stand up.
Oh my goodness.
Sorry.
No.
Sorry.
Hey.
Sorry.
Oh. It's okay.
It's a false alarm.
But the pain was very. It was very.
Yeah, it's probably the first stage of labor.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, tell me, who was that young man that brought you in?
Nobody. It's just someone that saw me in pain and decided to help me.
Wow. Because he seems so worried about you, and at some point I thought he was the one that got you pregnant.
Uncle, Brain doesn't care about anybody or anything, if that's what you're about to say.
Well, anyway, I need to go to the pharmacy to get some drugs for you.
And I just wanted to be on my way.
No, you don't. Just hold on. I'll be back.
Better now.
I feel better too.
Thank God.
Yeah. Thank God and thank you.
Let's go home.
Oh, yes, but he went to get my drugs, so just waiting for that. So.
Oh, okay.
Can just take a sip. It's okay. Yeah. Hey, I was going to make the meal.
No, that's okay. I did it myself. Or you think I'll poison you? Let me get water. Sorry, excuse me.
Was the food ready?
Yes, Mom. Everything is ready. Go and sit.
Okay. Sorry. Yeah. My delicacy, open your food. she was actually thinking that I'll poison her.
Brian is a good cook.
Mm-hmm.
But a poison to women, especially younger ladies.
Mom! She doesn't need an introduction!
I'm not lying.
You know, he actually took me to the hospital.
Brian.
When you were not around.
Brian doesn't help any woman without an agenda.
Mom! Mom, what's all this now? Why are you talking like this?
Is it a lie? Let's eat, Jerry. My dear, eat your food, Jerry, before it gets cold. I just pity those useless girls that fall for him. Eat your food.
Guy, don't be like that, Ibio. What are you talking about? I swear you know well. I hear you. Let me call you back. Alright, bro.
Babe.
What do you want?
Yeah, I was seeing a movie downstairs and I got tired. I figured you're here.
So?
Yes. Could you please do me the honor by coming downstairs to watch with me?
I'm busy.
Babe, please. Please, babe. Please. Please now. Please. Alright, let's go. That's my baby.
My heart beat for her, our love so true, and I trust the feeling that shines through. I'm sure of my love with every part, but I'm not bird enough to do right by her. I'm sorry, everything I tell you is true. I don't think I didn't mean to hurt you. I would hurt you on purpose. Of course you'd say that, but I don't believe you.
possessor of many talents.
Thank you.
This is beautiful.
You think so?
Yeah, it is.
Thank you.
Can I try?
Really?
I'll shock you. You don't trust me. Let me show you something now. I'll shock you. You will see now.
Okay.
Don't play with me. By the time I show you my expertise, you will understand.
Okay. Wait. You're actually spoiling my work.
Are you serious?
Yes, but I can fix it.
Oh no. I thought you'd be saying, oh, you did so well.
No, you did not.
Brian, now.
Mom.
Leave now.
I'm not biting her. Just go. Mom.
Leave. Just go. It's nice.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you, Ma. Yes, it's a beautiful room. Yes.
Mom, why are you doing this to me?
Doing what to you? I just saved a young girl from a deadly poison.
I was just trying to be nice to her because of her condition.
Nice, you. To a lady. I know you. You don't care if she's pregnant or not. As far as she's a woman, you're ready to go along with it.
Mom, I'm not that person anymore. A lot has changed lately. Can't you see it?
Oh, come on. Tell that to a stranger, not to me. But see, let me warn you. If you do this to this girl, I will turn my back on you forever. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Hey.
Hi.
Don't mind me. You can change it.
No, that's fine. That's totally fine. It's all right.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I feel your baby? Oh, it's fine. It's fine if you don't want me to.
No, it's okay. You can go ahead.
Okay.
Hey, he's over here.
Oh, really? My bad. Ouch. Take it easy.
Yeah.
He's kicking.
What? What's going on here? Brian, I warned you about her.
Mom, this is different.
How? How is it different? Brian, come back here! Brian! See, let me tell you, he cannot love a woman, no. Eh? Do you hear me? Are you listening to me? Don't let him fool you. He took everything from his father, even his humanizing lifestyle.
Thank you, Ma.
Just careful, eh?
Thank you, Ma. Thank you, Ma.
You heard what I told you. Stay away from him.
come in. The door is not locked.
Hi. I made you breakfast. Breakfast in bed.
Really?
Yeah?
You shouldn't have bothered.
But I've already done it, so.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And I wanted to tell you I'm not anything like my mom described me to be.
Really?
Maybe I was like that, but not anymore. And I was doing it to make a point. Overprotectiveness is not good. It enslaves one, and the person will know his or her age. And that's what my mom was trying to subject me to. Then when Brian decides to stand for himself as a man, it becomes a problem.
Wow. Standing for yourself
Yes.
as a man is fine. What matters is how you stand.
Okay. What if I tell you everything was stage managed?
Stage money.
Mm-hmm.
How?
He gave me your contact.
Yeah, he told me. I want to know my exact role in this whole thing.
That is why I called for this meeting. I want you to play as my fake girlfriend, and I will pay you heavily for each assignment.
Is that all?
Yes.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
Why do you want to venture into this whole thing, and what do you stand to achieve?
My mom is very overprotective. She doesn't want to understand that I'm an adult. And probably I know this is not the right way to go about this, but I'm ready to take the risk. Hopefully she will change.
I got your point. But you have to understand that this is a very, very risky job. So you have to pay heavily for it.
Come on, money is not a problem.
Okay, that's fine. I'm in then.
I'm not a bad guy. My senses are intact. What happened between my mom and my dad, that's their business. But now I regret everything, and I regret going towards that direction.
So, what changed?
These past few months I spent with my dad made me to realize how much damage I was bringing upon to myself. And how much damage I'll bring to myself if I keep on trying to make a point to my mom.
So you decided to go one free at a time?
What? Is that what you think this is all about? I know this might sound cliche, but I love you.
Look, I know you're after the sex, okay? But just know that that strategy thing can't work on me.
Obviously, all my explanation makes no sense to you. My mom has brainwashed you into thinking whatever you're thinking. I don't need any strategy to have sex with you. And for you to be in this condition, it means that you are easy meat. And Brian doesn't do easy meat.
Where to? Where are you going to?
Home.
Why this sudden decision? To stay with who?
Valerie is back.
sorry for those terrible words that I said to you.
Okay. Apology heard and accepted. Now get out.
My mom told me everything. That guy must be a fool for losing a woman like you. Diamonds are rare to find. I'm sure he's regretting it right now. One doesn't know the value of what he has until he loses it. Vanessa, these past few months you've spent in my life has made me a transformed man. It has changed me. You turned me into something that I never believed that I could be. And I cherish you. I care about you. And these few moments I've spent with you have shown me the kind of woman you are. Very beautiful, loving, kind, respectful. Vanessa, please, I'm sorry.
Well, I heard you. And I said, get out.
Vanessa, I'm sorry.
Get out.
Please.
Is it so hard to understand? Leave this minute. God. Imagine the audacity.
Look at you looking all fresh.
I'm trying to be like you, you know.
Am I fresh?
Oh, the finest, the sexiest, #1.
Thank you, babe.
You complete my world, baby.
I do.
That?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you too.
So tell me, how was your trip?
Lovely.
Lovely. Lovely. Lovely. Your trip was lovely.
No, sweetheart. I really missed you. It was not complete without you, you know. But I just gotta take care of business.
As you should.
I missed you so much. Look at my baby girl. The best in town. I'm the luckiest. You know that?
Valerie One.
Valerie
One of the Bio Kingdom.
Oh, you look so good, baby.
What did you bring for me?
I brought a lot.
So why didn't you bring them upstairs?
Because we're going out together. I'm taking you out tonight.
You got stuff in your car for me?
A lot.
I trust you. I trust you, babe. Thank you so much.
Come on, babe. You don't need to thank me.
What? You don't like the food?
Mom, it's not the food. It's you.
What do you mean, explain?
Can you stop seeing that in me?
I only see what you showed me.
Okay, Mom. I've changed. Brian is a different person. I'm different now.
Different.
Brian! Brian, the food is ready. Come and eat.
I don't feel like eating. Please leave me alone.
Hey. Brian! Please come down and eat.
Leave me alone. Show myself.
Brian! Just go, go!
I don't want to talk about anything.
You can't just shut me out and tell me there's nothing to talk about. Is it because of a girl?
She's not just a girl, Mom.
You really like this one?
I love her, Mom. But what does it matter now? She's gone. She thinks all I want is sex. Courtesy of the impression you created about me. Mom, I'm changed. But you don't want to see me differently.
She don't have to blame me for that. Okay?
I want more than just sex. I want to see her laugh. I want to see her smile. Even while she's pregnant. She doesn't pick my call. She doesn't even want to hear me out. Mom, if you want me back, then get her back. She's the one I want to marry.
Omo, thank God for this 1 month leave that they gave you. If not, how would I have survived alone in this house?
Now you agree you need me 24/7.
Of course! Always have, always will.
I like that. Honestly, Vanessa, if you ask me, I would say he's truly sorry.
Well, guess what? Thank God I didn't ask you.
Be nice.
I'm being nice.
Be nice this time.
I'm being nice. What does he want here? Madam. Welcome, ma. Wow. Well, welcome, ma. Good day, ma.
Welcome, ma.
It's quite a surprise. I wasn't expecting to see you.
I have never seen my son like this. He's broken. Please, I beg you, listen to him, please. Please.
I feel very terrible every single day for hurting you. I take back every single word that I said that day. You're one heck of a brave woman. And I'll be honored to have you in my life. Please, can we start over again?
Please, say yes. Just say yes. Yes. Come here.
Oh,
she said yes. What is it?
Let's rush her to the Are you okay? Are you okay? Let's rush her. Let's rush her. Take it easy. Don't worry. Take it easy. Take it easy. Sorry. Sorry.
Fast.
Sorry.
Fast.
Sorry. Hey.
finally put him to sleep.
That boy is a load of energy.
No.
Vanessa. This would fit perfectly into your finger.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. I've never been more serious in my life. These past few months has been nothing but absolute joy. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. And that big energy up there. Please say yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Your big energy.
Agony grips my soul. I search for answers night and day, but the path ahead is unclear. Agony grips my soul. I search for answers night and day, but the path ahead is unclear.